welcome to a very special event and an extraordinary journey. Today we are on a mission to find the optimal experience. But first, we have a few questions for you.
What if the noise a car produces is the sound of silence?
How can a car be so dynamic, yet so beautiful?
What if an exciting drive can actually make you feel relaxed?
How can a vehicle be sustainable and filled with passion?
How can something be so sophisticated, yet easy to use?
Today we'll find those answers and more. Well, perfectly on time. Thanks for coming, Lenya and Elvis.
Glad to be here. Thanks for inviting me.
Whoa, that was quite a ride and a bit of a rush.
Well, how do you feel?
I actually feel totally relaxed, almost like I just got out of bed.
Well, I don't feel quite like that. It takes me a bit more work to look like this. But definitely refreshed, focused, and inspired.
Glad you feel that way, because this is what we wanted. We asked our designers and engineers to create a launch on wheels that actually relaxes all the senses. So the new ID.6X and ID.6 Cross are actually the result.
I love the look and how it makes me feel while driving.
For me, it's actually the quietness and roominess that really feels like a fresh breath of air.
Yes, roominess, fresh, focus. Yeah, that sounds about right.
That's exactly what we set out to achieve, to take drivers and passengers to a next level state of mind. We call it the optimal experience, what we consider almost a sixth sense.
A sixth sense?
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense.
That can't be a coincidence.
That's right. A loose, relaxed vibe is just what we had in mind. So how about we explore a little deeper to find out our own optimal experience in the ID.6? Both the ID.6X and the ID.6 Cross are, of course, true Volkswagen models. They are based on the best ideas of our designers and engineers in Germany and here in China to create a smooth, relaxed ride, comfortable and safe.
The ride is very relaxed. We live in a busy and noisy world. But sometimes you need a calm place to clear your head and feed your soul. Driving the ID.6 is like traveling in a capsule of tranquility.
In addition to the quiet electric drive, we have soundproofed the ID.6 in many innovative ways. It has special acoustic glass and perfect body and floor insulation. So after a long day of work, you just enjoy the massage seats and a relaxed, quiet drive with the augmented reality head-up display. Everything very peaceful and more intuitive than ever before. Here's what's underneath Volkswagen's groundbreaking all-electric MEB architecture. It offers an emission-free range of over 580 kilometers, and what's more, new levels of acoustic comfort.
Quiet moments are okay, but to feel really alive, I need action.
The core of our MEB platform is the battery. Positioned in the floor, meaning the ID.6 has a very low center of gravity for optimized stability and safety.
As much as I love the cool technology and the dynamic ride of a low center of gravity, I also love the natural flowing shapes and design of the car. My Italian friends refer to it as grandezza, meaning style and natural supremacy. You can go anywhere in this car, from the skate park to the red carpet.
The ID.6 is built and designed for all types of terrain and all environments. As it has to be a true Volkswagen, we carried out more than 2,500 different tests, including over 300 special safety tests. And we built more than 800 test vehicles, and they were driven over 6 million kilometers.
I'm totally into this idea of a lounge on wheels. I love this feeling of roominess and the panoramic glass roof. It helps you feel connected. If it gets too cold to think, you simply ask the car to warm up. Hello, Volkswagen. I'm a bit cold. Awesome. Being connected to the rest of the world, it can tell you where to charge or eat. It feels like a smart companion wherever I go.
It is a smart companion, like us all. This car is always online, plus it will always be up to date with updates and new functions received over the air. It can also offer safe hand when needed, for example, with Travel Assist, our intelligent 360-degree driver assistant pack for a relaxed, semi-automated driving. The electric motors deliver full torque from the start, and the dampers are perfectly fine-tuned for every driving scenario. In fact, all this technology is perfectly fine-tuned, because, after all, it is a true Volkswagen. Speaking of fine-tuning, let me show you one of my favorite hobbies. Developing cars is actually quite like cooking a fine dish. It's a perfect blend of precision, expertise, and high-quality ingredients. All of them are needed to prepare the perfect meal. Et voila! Our ID.6 is based on our global MEB receipt, but exclusively tailored for Chinese taste. Well, actually, two tastes. Let's take a closer look at these two models and the worlds they live in. Lenya, Elvis, it was great to get a deeper insight into the duality of your lives and see how both ID.6 models fit perfectly with that.
Yeah, I think it's clear that we all have pretty different sides.
Indeed, but you both found your optimal driving experience, right?
For sure.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining me today. It was really fun experiencing the ID.6 together.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.
So, today's journey has come to an end. It just goes to show how different worlds can come together so well. Now it's your turn to discover so much more with the new ID.6. You can check out our ID Hub for more information. I'm looking forward to seeing you in your ID.6. But for now, thanks for watching.